Hello, welcome to this second moving picture show I'm making in my adventures in lockpicking. Today I'll be going over the real locks I currently have and what is in my practice rotation as of now. Starting with the oldest lock I have. It is this Master Lock, which I believe, according to the number below the lock, is a 575. I think it's a brass body. Again, I've had this one for a while, so I don't really know that much about it because I just bought it and to keep stuff secure. So this secured a storage unit in the basement of a building I used to live in, and then it secured the external balcony storage unit of an apartment. In that second case, it was less about security, it's more of let's keep the storage unit door closed because it gets windy where I lived. Second lock I acquired, you should recognize because this is that Master Lock 141 I picked in eventually in that first video. Gotten slightly better at picking it. But it's still surprisingly problematic for such a simple lock in comparison to what you can get out there. It might just be that this lock has gotten into my head. Next lock I acquired was this, which is I ordered it as a pack that had two locks in it. They were keyed alike. Its packmate is actually now doing the job this one used to do because I am not really worried about someone flying up 3 stories to enter into an external balcony storage unit of an apartment. I've had issues with this one, mainly down to the fact that the keyway is comparatively small. So yeah, that's a smaller opening to work with. So consequently, I'm using a smaller tension wrench. But also, surprisingly, these little protruding rivets are also hindering my efforts at tension. So I can't quite get into this one with tension on it to get it opening. I'm convinced I can open this. I just need to have a think and a reapproach of how I go about doing that. And the final lock is this one, which is I picked up at a Walmart run for this lock was less than $5, and it is not a very hard lock to open. Which is kind of what I was expecting. Once again, it's on film, it's not cooperating. So, I know it has, like, it clicked. There we go. I know this has, like, probably 4 pins in it. It is not that hard a lock. It's honestly everything I was expecting for like a lock I got for less than $5 at a Walmart. So as for my current practice rotation, these are always in it. It's kind of like, keep me honest, I can't see the sides. I don't feel a point in showing you clear see-through practice acrylic locks. So these are the keep me honest locks in my standard rotation. This is going to be added in about once a week. And I will probably make a video showing me picking it open when I finally manage to do it. This one, you may not necessarily see a video get made on it. But hopefully I'll make one for it as well once I finally get it open. But again, the issue with this is that smaller keyway is giving me issues. And that's probably a lack of skill on the fact that my picks are a bit wide, which makes it difficult to manipulate the pins in this one. So, those are the actual locks I have. Thanks for watching, Internet, and have a nice day.